Are we filming already? Sorry. Well, not sorry, it's my birthday. Let's start again. I'm Lucy and welcome to Beauty Leaks, your favorite source of beauty news. In today's episode, BeautyBay, Real Techniques, Mario and Sephora, Fenty Beauty, Morphe, Etude House, Charlotte Tilbury, new products, new releases. You love makeup and you love getting something back for your shopping? BeautyBay has Tribe Point program. The idea of collecting points for your shopping isn't new. Even the Tribe program for BeautyBay isn't new. But what's new is the products that you can get for your points. Best Seller Box for 7,000 points. Fruity Beauty Box for 4,000 points, and you can even get Jeffree Star palette for 2,000 points. We are 100% behind this idea, but the prices are a little high. I buy a lot of makeup and I'm still on 1,500 points. Real Techniques launched new line of brushes called Easy as 1, 2, 3. It's a line of 5 synthetic brushes for foundation, highlight, blush, and 2 brushes for eyeshadows. Each brush is almost $7, or you can buy the set of 5 brushes for a little bit over $22. Something about these minimalistic dark grey designs remind me of Dyson aesthetics. Speaking about the brushes, and this is way more exciting news, Kim Kardashian's makeup, the man behind makeup masterclasses, Mario. You know, the guy that recently collabed with Kim on Artist and the Muse collection. On December 26th, will launch his own line of brushes in partnership with Sephora. Brushes will be available in 25 countries and there will be 3 different sets. 5-piece eye set for $49, 6-piece face set for $69, and the full 13-piece set for $119. All the sets are packed in high-quality makeup pouches, and those are synthetic brushes designed to mimic handmade Japanese brushes. Mario is a master of contouring, so it's no surprise that in the sets there are 2 different brushes for the contour. And personally, I enjoy Sephora brushes. I still have few that I bought years ago and they perform perfectly. And I'm guessing I would enjoy Mario's brushes as well. Well, too bad there's no Sephora in UK. Fans of Rihanna and Fenty Beauty, get your wallets ready. Really soon we'll launch new product category for the brand, blushes. Well, actually it's not entirely new product category because we have some blushes in matchsticks and some of the highlights you can definitely use as blushes as well. So I'm guessing it's more like a new blush formula. There's not much information out yet, but it's Fenty, so it's safe to assume that they're gonna be gorgeous and they're gonna be suitable for all skin tones. Morphe just added 2 new eyeshadow palettes to the 18-pan range. 18B making bank full of orangey browns, greens and a little bit of greys, and my personal favorite 18F talking flirty with pinks, purples and light nudes. Each palette is $18. Recently Morphe released quite a lot of products, and the question is, will Morphe be a new color pop serving us new releases every week? I hope not. I'm not rich enough for that. Oh, Jerry, this one I dedicate to you. Etude House, Korean brand known for Kit Kat eyeshadow palettes, just launched Lucky Together Tom and Jerry collection. In typical Etude style, all the packaging is beyond cute, almost like a kid's makeup. Or maybe it is a kid's makeup. Or maybe not. I doubt that kids nowadays know who Tom and Jerry is. Nevertheless, collection includes 4 shades of lip tints, 10 single eyeshadows, 5 mattes and 5 shimmers, cheese shape foundation puff, 2 lip balms, 2 brow mascara, face blurring set. There's a lot, there's even a skincare. And the packaging of this collection just brings me back to my childhood. But I don't know if it's a good thing. Charlotte Tilbury announced 2 new palettes. Additional to Pillow Talk family, Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette, 12 shades of nudes, browns and cherries. And the second palette is Stoned Rose Beauty Instant Look in the palette for $75. It's a full face palette with eyeshadows, blushes, bronzer and a highlight. It's gorgeous without a doubt, but Charlotte, we need to talk, girl. The previous Instant Look in the palette I only used once and I still didn't have chance to play with my holiday palette, and you are releasing 2 new ones and the pretties as well. Girl, I'm gonna go bankrupt. That's all the beauty needs for today. Remember to leave milk and cookies for Santa. Have a wonderful Christmas, happy holidays and see you next Sunday. Can I have my cake back, please?